Today I am going to be walking you through how to change your pen nibs and why you need to change your pen nibs on a regular basis. For art-related tips and tricks, subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I post videos every Friday. If this is your first time coming to the channel, welcome. I am digital artist Brian Hampshire, and I've been drawing digitally for about 5 years, doing several commissions for clients. And as you can imagine, I've changed several pen nibs throughout my career. So let's get right into it. Now, changing your pen nibs is very important. Very important. Because you can potentially damage your screen. You could put a hole in the matte finish of the tablet, and you'll have to skip that area when you're drawing. So you really want to protect your tablet because, hey, these tablets aren't cheap. So to protect your tablet, protect your investment, change your pen nibs regularly. Now you want to locate your pen nib tool. It's usually on the side of the tablet, on top of the tablet, or in your pen case. Now, once you locate your nib tool, right, your pen nib tool, you want to look, and there is a small little opening, and that's where you get your pen, and then you stick your pen nib inside of that hole, that small opening, and then you want to angle your pen and then move your pen away from the pen nib tool, and then your pen nib should be separated from the pen. Take out the extra nibs located in the pen nib tool. Now, you want to get your pen, and then you want to simply push the nib into the pen, and it goes in, the skinny end goes in first. And then you want to simply add some pressure to that to make sure it is secure. The nib is secure inside of the pen. If you are new to the digital art realm, I compiled a free guide to help you get started with digital art. It's going to save you time and money. It's going to be right down there in the description below. Remember, it's a free guide, so make sure you pick that up. I hope you got some type of value out of this video today. Don't forget to hit that like button, smash that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and as always, I'll holler at you guys next time. Believe it.